Okay, so what if I want to change the color of these? So change this to green, for example, and this to yellow. And also, what if I wanted to change the texture of those blocks? Then I would start with tab. Well, let's start with colors. I want to change that number 7, dark green. I press edit. Here's the number 7. I click on it. And then I choose what I want. So let's go with some yellow. Let's put it brighter, like that. Press OK. Press save. And refresh. I recommend refreshing every time you do a change so that your preferences are saved. Alright, so now if I press tab, the cube, we can see that the color has changed. So how do I apply it again? I click on it, click on the block I want, and put it on the ground. There we go. Now what if I want to change the texture? I go tab, I go to the cube, I press edit. Here are the default textures. So how I do is I open Windows Explorer. Here I have a texture that's 256 by 256, although it is recommended that they are 512 by 512. So I click, I drag my texture and I put it in the slot that I want. So say the little dots here. Hop, I save, and I refresh. Once refreshed, we should see the blocks again here. There we go, and so now I have my rocks texture. So if I press tab, cubes, and there are my rocks. Nice.